The Caterpillar C-Series skid steer loaders, multi-terrain loaders, and compact track loaders are designed, built, and backed by Caterpillar for exceptional performance, versatility, comfort, ease of operation, serviceability, and customer support. The CAT C-Series machines deliver, even in the toughest working conditions. In the next few minutes, you'll learn the basics of how to safely operate and maintain the CAT skid steer loader, multi-terrain loader, or compact track loader. This DVD is divided into 6 sections: safety, a walk-around inspection, operator station and controls, operator techniques and tips, machine shutdown, and machine transport.